to my channel. So for today's video ay magre-review na naman tayo ng panibagong product. So wag na nating papatagalin pa, i-reveal ko na sa inyo kung anong product na ito. So this product is my cousin's business, no? So ito yung bagong business niya, guys, and of course I always support my cousin's business, no? And I'm so proud of him kasi syempre may na siya, may own business na siya, and his own name of the may pangalan yung perfume na, no? His own brand name. So congratulations, and I'm always here ready to support for you. So now this is the GPH perfume. So as you can see, guys, super social ng niya, super social ng packaging niya, no? So this is his new packaging right now, and it costs 300 pesos, or I think 250 pesos per this one. Pero napakasulit, guys, kasi napaka long lasting ng perfume ng cousin ko. And then actually makikita naman, no, it's really worth it, and lalong lalo na yung nasa loob, ang ganda, super. So this is this is the scent name, Meg Baccarat. So ito yung favorite namin ng sister ko na scent. Siya lang talaga gumagawa nito, guys. Siya lang yung nag-mix. So this is, wow, napaka nice. This is yung laman ng loob niya, no? It's so nice, guys. Super sulit yung 250 pesos mo, or 300 I think, depende kasi sa scent. So napaka super bango. If you want to order, guys, you just have to follow the GPH fragrance, no? So just search on Facebook, name GPH fragrance. Super bango. Super bango talaga. So this is my everyday, my always perfume, no? Everyday dala-dala ko siya kahit sa school namin, kahit saan ako pumunta. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko na perfume, guys. So if you want to check out, or if you want to buy, just message the GPH fragrance, no? Just search on the Facebook. So my Facebook page siya. Just search GPH fragrance. So ilalagay ko dyan yung Facebook page niya, and then you can message, and mayroon silang iba't ibang scents, no, na nyo, kung ano yung gusto nyong bilhin. So you can always choose there. May mga pinupost din siya na mga scents, kahit anong flavors, no, ng perfume. So yan lang, I highly suggest this. Okay, super sulit at super tagal niyang mawala yung bango. And then, no, it's big in person. As you can see, it's really big in person. And then siya, matagal siyang maubos, guys, as in matagal siyang maubos. So GPH fragrance, check out now, grab yours now. So yun lang, guys, and thank you for always supporting my YouTube channel, and I hope na dumarami pa tayo. So yun lang, Merry Christmas everyone, and advance Happy New Year. God bless us all. Bye.